on my invention. I invented it Friday, so I'm gonna show you how to fold it and teach. I'm gonna show you how to apply it and teach you, then teach you how to fold it. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to fold it. First step, we're gonna make a water bomb base. Here, can you look at it? Like that, fold that edge, this edge to that edge, and repeat. It's getting in the way. Flip it over, and fold this down. Make sure to crease sharp or else. Yeah. And the water bomb base. So basically we're just going on the creases like that. So first of all, you could just fold that diagonally like that, and like that, and like that. It's fine. But you really don't have to do that. You could just do that and that. And also, yeah, but you should fold it in half, because if you fold it in half, yeah, because you're going to fold it in half when you fold the wings, so you're going to need to fold it in half too. You don't have to do it right now, but I'm going to do it. Okay, now you can fold that base, like that. And now you're just going to fold this edge to that crease, like that. Sorry if my hand is in the way, it's kind of hard for me to not get my hand in the way. No, like this should be good. Like that. Unfold. And like this. It's a big improvement. Like, it's only been like 3 weeks, I think. And I already have like 29 subscribers. Okay. Now you're just going to tuck this layer under there. So basically, it's just like that. Okay. Now we have it like this, and now you just want to fold this under like this, but you want to let these layers underneath, you see, slide. You just want to let them slide down, so it doesn't slide down. You see, it's sliding down. So you just want them to slide down while you're folding it under. Like that. It doesn't really matter how much you fold it under. The more you fold it under, the farther the center of gravity goes forward. But you don't want it to fold it too far, or else it will be bad at flying. And well, and also it will what was I gonna say again? It might tear. Yeah, tear. Like this. It doesn't matter if it's like, if everything's popping up, just keep flattening it like that. It doesn't matter if layers fold over layers or anything like that. Okay, now you have to reverse the center crease. And you want to fold the wings, but you see this layer. You just want to fold the wings on that layer. Just like that. Because you can't really fold it any farther. And this is a dart. Oh, yeah. Also, before I fold the wings, you don't have to do this, but it makes it fly like maybe like a centimeter farther or something like that. And well, I'm not gonna do this, but you could like round this out. So like push that forward or something like that. Anyway, I'm not gonna do that, but you could. It just makes it fly a little bit better, but this is kind of like the common paper airplane kind of thing, like with just the edged. And it doesn't matter if your wings don't line up. You see mine don't line up. For this one, it really did not line up. This paper airplane, mine lines up the best right now, but for this one, it does not line up, and this one flies good at that, as you saw in the start. And also, now that you've folded the wings in, you just want to swivel it over. Well, not swivel, but you just want to like do that, and make sure it does not go to that point, and then let all of the layers change, just like that. And do the same thing for the other side. Flip it over and do that. Okay, good. And be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.